An equation is like a balanced scale. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side to keep it balanced. When solving multi-step equations, we follow the same roadmap every time. Simplify, move variable terms, move numbers, isolate the variable, and check the answer. Let's solve our first example. 2 times x plus 3 equals 16. First, simplify using the distributive property. The 2 must multiply every term inside the parentheses. 2 times x equals 2x, and 2 times 3 equals 6. Now the equation becomes 2x plus 6 equals 16. Next, isolate the variable. We want to undo the plus 6, so subtract 6 from both sides. 16 minus 6 equals 10, giving us 2x equals 10. Now, divide both sides by 2 to undo multiplication. 10 divided by 2 equals 5, so x equals 5. Always check your solution. Substitute 5 back into the original equation. 2 times 5 plus 3 equals 2 times 8 equals 16. Both sides match, so the solution is correct. Now, example 2. 4x minus 7 equals 2x plus 9. This time, there are x terms on both sides. We want all the x terms together, so subtract 2x from both sides. 4x minus 2x equals 2x. Now we have 2x minus 7 equals 9. Next, undo the minus 7 by adding 7 to both sides. 9 plus 7 equals 16, so 2x equals 16. Divide both sides by 2. 16 divided by 2 equals 8, so x equals 8. Check the solution. Left side, 4 times 8 minus 7 equals 25. Right side, 2 times 8 plus 9 equals 25. Since both sides are equal, the answer works.